go with the experiment number 10, that is focal length of concave lens. To find out the focal length of concave lens, we are using the convex lens over here. So you can see here. First let us switch on the bulb. So we should get a diminished, well-defined image using convex lens. The image has to view like this. So proper image. Now this is going to behave like an object for a concave lens. Now you can see that I am fixing the scale. So this is the screen. I am fixing the scale at 11 to this edge. This edge and 11 are coinciding. Now at 0, I am introducing the concave stand. Exactly at 0. Now 11 centimeter, this distance is going to behave like a object distance, that is u. That is 11 centimeter. Now we have to move the screen back such that I will get well-defined image in this way. So you can see well-defined image. So you should get in this way. So now this distance from this concave to screen is going to be image distance, that is V. Now let us write the same thing in the tabular column. So object distance is 11 centimeter. Image distance we got it as 25.5. 25.5. Same thing. Now let's come to the second reading. Now you have to keep the object at 12 centimeter. So for that, no need to move the scale here. Okay, just now move this and come back to the initial state, that is the real image. Okay, now initially it was at 11 centimeter, just move the scale to 12 centimeter here. I am moving the scale by 12 centimeter like this. Now again same procedure, bring the concave lens stand at 0 and move the screen back. Now you can see clear image is formed. So this is the clear image. Now where I am getting exactly at 31.5. Okay. So I got 31.5. Third reading, again push the concave lens stand, bring it back. Now I am shifting it to 13 centimeter now. I am keeping the scale at 13 centimeter. Now again I am bringing the concave lens stand at 0, move back, get the image. So I am getting at 36. So I got 12 at 31.5. Now 13 centimeter I got at 36. Now let us calculate F. Now I have calculated the focal length for the 3 different reading. I got first reading as 19.3, second reading as 19.3, third as 20.3. Now you have to calculate the mean. As you know, mean is nothing but add all 3, divide by 3. 19.3 plus 19.3 plus 20.3 divided by 3. Now let us see. 19.3 plus 19.3 plus 20.3 divided by 3. So I got 19.63. Now this is the focal length, and we know that since it is a focal length of concave, we will get negative sign. Because it is u minus v, I will get negative. So I will get negative as the answer. Now write the result without fail in a full statement, that is the focal length of concave lens is equal to minus 19.63 centimeter. Write the unit in a centimeter itself. Unit is must. Okay, do it well. All the best.